What's up, guys? Day 46. Um, Sorry for the late stream. I just got off work at 11 and then I had to eat some food. This is gonna be a short stream again because I kind of have a very bad headache. So I don't really wanna think. I just want to go to bed. But day 46. I'm not missing that. Almost 50, baby. I'm also going to put my hair back. This looks too hard. Wait, let me do a bit. That looks hard. So, probably not gonna do this. Probably gonna do a different problem. And then maybe some poker stuff. I don't really know. We'll see. Pick a random one. Cool. Locked. Sure. Oh, yep. Off-road. Let's try this easy. This looks fun. Sum of all subset XOR totals. The XOR total of an array is defined as the bitwise XOR of all of its elements, or 0 if it's empty. Sure. Given an array nums, return the sum of the XOR totals for every subset of nums. Note, subsets with the same elements should be counted multiple times. Okay. Interesting, okay. Array A is a subset of a B if A can be obtained from B by deleting some elements of B. Okay. So the main thing of this, honestly, is just getting the subsets right. Because obviously, XORing and summing them is like nothing. Because I don't really think there's a way to pre-compute. That's what I'm trying to get through my head first, is just if there's a way to save computation time instead of not just literally iterating over every subset. Do I think there exists something? Daily wasn't, dude, that daily looked annoying. I saw 50% acceptance rate and I'm like, I'm not doing this tonight. I can read it though. I probably should do that first. You're given an n by n binary matrix grid. You are allowed to change at most 0 to be 1. So you can just, why did they phrase it like this? Oh, at most 0. At most 1 0. Yeah, I definitely don't have time for this. Let me look at your solution though. So it's just the standard island DFS. Do you stream on Twitch? No, I just do YouTube. I do YouTube just because it saves the VOD. Because I originally just started this to have like a documentation of my little journey here. Oh, so it's originally like making the islands. Like store the islands, and then after you know where the islands are, you just check the edges and see what gets you. Yeah, that makes sense. It's not too hard. It does just look tedious actually, but I don't have time for that. I need to learn. I feel like this is a good pattern to know that I just don't know off the top of my head of like how to get all subsets of something. So I should probably just learn that. I feel like how do I not know that actually? What the fuck? Mass is a 1 bit shifted over in the range of the length. Okay. For I in the range of pretty much 2 to the length. Yield SS for mask. Using yield means that you do not need to calculate all the results. Surprised I've never seen this. What's up, Peter? What's up, my boy? My boy. Okay, I mean, this makes sense. What an interesting way of doing it, though. I personally do some DFS approach where you just recursively call DFS I plus 1 twice. Oh, that makes sense. Yeah. I was just wondering what, like, the typical one is. Oh, you typically do it with backtracking? So it's pretty much what you were saying. Like you DFS I plus 1 with it on the subset and with it not on the subset. Sure. I'm still trying to think, like, do I need to compute that? I don't think I need to compute that directly. I don't think I need to keep track of, like, the subsets. Yeah. I'm probably cooked regardless. I think we can just do like the DFS, but like just add the sum. I do have to backtrack. So I need keep track of I and like a cur variable. Because I'm thinking like you XOR cur with the thing at the I position. this was right, but whatever. Cur XORed with res plus equals cur. You would then return. This is the case where you do eval equals and then this would be if you skipped it. Backtrack at 0, 0. Let's see. What if I do? Wait, now how do you do that in this? Put non-local. Like that? I remember seeing non-local, but I'd never really looked what it up. Okay. Oh. What the fuck was that, Sawyer? You good?
I drink water really badly.
Okay. That motherfucker dead. Oh my god.
It was made worse by the fact that like I had a full mouth of water in my mouth and I couldn't like spew it everywhere to cough for real.
What the fuck is this? An efficient approach. Find bitwise OR of an array. Int bit contribution to the XOR sum. Like, this is some giga dweeb shit. Holy shit. Fuck off. Fuck off. What the fuck is this? Oh my god. Whatever. I did my duty. I should ask to add this song to my playlist. Okay. I don't really know where I was in this. Oh, actually doing a very similar thing. Generating combinations. Okay, yeah. This was... We were at getting all the combinations of recards. And this is... thanks, Caesar. Because I did yoink this shit. Okay, so now that we have these, we need to evaluate hand. takes in a hand, which is an array of cards. And it will return I actually also like the way Caesar did this of type this could actually also be a byte. But granted, I don't really think that matters. I just wanted to do this as a byte to have a little bit of masking fun with this. Oh, excuse me. Alright, actually. Oh god, I feel like I have to sneeze again. I don't want to do a single byte. I kind of want the whole thing. Like, I'll integrate the prime number somewhere else. But I do want the... what's up, cheese? Can I ask what you use to host your any food website? Yeah, of course. For the front end, I host that on Vercel, which is free and very fast loading times. And then for the back end, I use a company called Railway that hosts my database and my like backend Go code, which is actually, I've had a great experience with them. I was on Render for the first 2 months, and Render charged like $7 a month to use the database, or to like set up a database, and then also like $4 for the site, because I just didn't know of a better one. And Railway gives you a $5 free credit, and I've actually only burned through like a bit over $1.50 in like 3 months of hosting, because they charge you by usage, and like 100 daily users isn't gonna charge that much. I should actually see how many users I had yesterday. Oh, also news on that. I'm literal news. A person from the Daily Northwestern wants to interview me for this. All right, we went down a little bit, but it's kind of at the point where no one besides like either people from this stream that haven't seen it or just like actual users are staying. Because I expected a big drop off from 350. Like, that's not realistic. But I feel like even if I can stick, like, if I get 50 users sticky, like, it's a success to me, man. Success to me. But yeah, super long-winded way of saying Vercel and Railway. Thanks, of course. Yeah. Okay, this is the one where we like want to do evaluate like the straight flushes first. Evaluate royal flush, yeah. So it's like, it's royal flush, straight flush, 4 of a kind, full house. Okay. Okay, so yeah. So we got a first. Also, I ran into annoyance. Do tell. Oh, true for straights. How did he get around that then? Because didn't he... What did he do for straights? If we should determine that we do not have a flush or a straight flush, we may move on to tackle straight. Okay, so he's just doing lookups. Okay, so it's a little bit different from what we're gonna do. Okay, well, regardless, thank you. This is so zoomed out. So if I want to see, like, is it best to do if a flush then go into this? Because I don't want to double compute. Yeah. So if if it's a straight and yeah, that's what I was going to check. I think that's the most basic way to check. Irish? That might be equal. How do you do this? Because I know you did this, and I liked it a lot. Ah, can't. It's just you don't need to ranks. Search. No, it's full house flush straight. 2 pair, 1 pair, high card. So you're saying you should sort them each time? I guess there's 5 things, so you don't really need it, but... Yeah, I was also just thinking, like, because I'm doing this with bits, seeing if you initially, like, go over them and if you, like, I don't know, ORed all them together. Like, do you have a 10? But no, it's stupid. Yeah, it's very stupid. How do you sort in this fucking language? Yeah. The higher straight. So you did just sort them to begin with? Yeah, okay. Why did you do if it's also straight there? Yeah, I guess. I just completely forgot. Can you so return bytes dot compare. Oh, this is a slice of byte. Oh, so you can't just do that. What is this A thing, actually? I just wrote this down, but I don't really know what it is. Like, what is A? Oh, so A is the hand. Is your ranks and enum as well? Yeah. Return. So I want just the ranks. So I'm gonna have to mask it with the card. I'm making the card just a byte with suit and then rank. I'll compare a queen and a king like this. Like 0 is a deuce. So what would a king be? Is a king 10? King would be 9, I think. Yeah. Oy. I ended with I wish I could type correctly. Well, I'm going to end it with the mask first. Is this not how you do bitwise ands? Oh, what the fuck is this? I cannot use func. J byte bool literal. Value literal. Value of type func. Wait, what? Why? What am I doing wrong? Oh, yeah. I thought these were the arguments. Thank you. That's stupid. When I first looked at like the slice thing, I thought this was like what's taking in. I stupidly thought for each. If hand 0 ended with what's gonna be a 10? A 10 is just gonna be 9. It's a little bit cursed. This is a royal flush. Else we're just gonna return. Ten being 9 is hate inducing. Technically I can change it. Should I change it? Because like this is purely my thing. I could just make like realistically it'll fit in the range. Like I could make a 2 a 2. Do you think I should just make a 2 a 2? Because wait, that fits, right? Because 2, 3. Like how many cards in there? Or 13. So yeah, I'd go up to 15. What are you making? I'm making a poker hand evaluator right now. Very badly. Yeah, I'll do it. Ranking of 2 means a literal 2. Aces. What would it be, 15? Does that fit? 2, 3, 4. Right? Ace, king, queen. No, because, like, 10 is going to be A still. Still not really nice. That's fine. That's fine. Not worth? Yeah, probably not. Probably not. Let's get rid of this. I'm already signing myself up for pain. Okay, short flush. Okay. So after this, we would want to look for 4 of a kind. Wait, we're also gonna want, like, to know what type of 4, like we gotta know the quality of a 4 of a kind. Because, like, technically, quad 9s beats. Shit. Maybe we just do the naive thing now, and then we'll go back and implement, like, each of the is functions. Like, returning a Boolean. Highest rank field. Well, it's also, like, there's 2 ways. It's, like, quads, for example, like, if you have, I guess quads doesn't really matter. Or it's not really the case for it. But, like, say you have a 2 pair. Like, both players have king, king, jack, jack. Like, say that's on the board. Then if some person has an ace kicker, that wins over, like, king, king, jack, jack 2. You know? So I'm trying to think. Because I'm pretty sure the same thing with 1 pair. But regardless, I think we can use this for narrowing down. Yeah, because what we can do is, like, after we have evaluate hand, for compare hand, like you're saying, we just do, like, if one is greater than the other, obviously return that one. And then else if they're equal, we compare, like, the type or the kicker. Yeah. In other news, we're going to push this to the side. Push it down the line. I also probably should only be working on this for, like, 10 more minutes. I really need to get better sleep. He said, knowing he wasn't going to get good sleep. Nothing more permanent than a temporary fix. Ain't that right? If no, flush is already accounted for. Flush house. Is that officially recognized? No, but it's cool. I'm not doing it then. I do want this to follow the poker rules. I don't think it is. I think these are what I know. You know what I should realistically do? Like, can I do this? How do I do it? Okay. Like, can I pass? Like, I'm thinking of making it like a function so I don't have to keep calling this shit. Shit 3K elo face it Valorant. Oh, what a sentence. That's so cool. I think I might be able to do this. I'm like not sure though. Because I don't want to keep passing the hand. Because then realistically, I don't even need this. Never played Valorant? Dude, I no life that game for so long. Seems kind of ass. It is now. In the beginning, it was really fun. Like 3 years ago, I had a lot of fun in high school. I might be breaking like literally everything with this, by the way. I can't run it in Linux. What a sad life. Do you need to dereference this? How the fuck do I do this? ChatGPT, please. So you do have to just dereference like that. Okay. Oh yeah, the DeepSeek shit. It's pretty fucking cool, man. Pretty fucking cool. Pretty fucking cool. I like how they fucking just took OpenAI shit and made it open source. Like, what fucking goats? What goats? Dude, it did basically call the bluff. It's like, you can't do shit about this. You stole all our data scraping the web. We're just gonna just fucking take your shit and make it our training data. Video cooking. Or getting cooked, yeah. I might have to end here. I'm gonna be honest. It's already 1:04. I still need a shower. I forgot how I did high card. I mean, right now high card, like, you don't even need to check if it's hand.high card. It just will be a high card. We'll handle the high cards in the compare hands. Because you don't need to do like an... Did you do an is high card? Yeah, no, you didn't. You did the same thing. You just default. Oh, you did has n of a kind. That's smart. That's smart. Yeah. Alright. I'll see you tomorrow. Sorry for these short streams. I've just been fucking swamped with work. Surely, no, tomorrow's also gonna be bad because I'm hanging out with my girlfriend. Eventually, I'll get a longer stream in. Alright, see you. Good night.